This is Three Directions News. I'm reporter Sean. Last month, National Taiwan University decided that the professors could not judge their students' moral standard grades anymore. Dean of the Students' Affairs, Mr. Chen Chongming said, since students' moral standard grades could not represent a student's learning motivation and also affect a student applying for a scholarship, President and most of professors in National Taiwan University agreed to abolish this system. Actually, National Taiwan Normal University was the first school to did it. They abolished this system 2 years ago. So today, we came to National Kaohsiung Normal University to ask some professors and students to see what their opinions are. Hi Ann, what do you think about that National Taiwan University abolish a rule that professors have right to judge students' moral standard grades? Can you talk about your viewpoint?
Sure. It's better for both professors and students. It's a little bit weird and subjective of a professor to score it if they don't know students very well. How can they score it objectively? It must be a question. Um, I would love to see this tradition to be abolished, and I think it's reasonable.
Thank you for your precious sharing.
I totally agree with NTU to abolish that policy, that custom so long at college, because I just think it's totally absurd for a teacher, for a professor to score their students' morality. Firstly, I think that nowadays teachers don't really have so much time, have so many chances to spend time with their students. So if you only see a person maybe once or twice a week, several hours a week, and you can maybe know some of their academic performance, but how they would behave or think in their private life, I think that is usually beyond the knowledge of a professor. So I would think that it's unfair for a teacher who knows so little about their students to score their morality. Okay, so that is my viewpoint.
Thank you, Professor Rui. Thank you for your precious opinion and sharing.
Sure, that's a good question. One of the problems with grading or scoring someone based on their ethics or their morality means that the professor judges it out of their own morality and their own idea. So, for example, if the student has a problem, a behavior, the professor can judge them according to their own standard. And that standard may be old or out of place with the students of today. So I believe that National Taiwan University is correct by saying that we should be more flexible and we should not allow individual professors to grade on such a subjective matter. It is, of course, necessary to grade based on, do you come to class, are you disrupting the class, but let's not say it's a moral standard. Let's say that it's a behavioral standard for class management.
Thank you for your precious opinion. It seems that many professors and students in NKNU agree on abolishing this system in universities. As they said, they don't agree that a student can be known well with a short time or be judged by only one behavior. This is a report from Three Directions News.